Alright, so I did decide to go as much as I don't want to, and again, my face looks a little broke out, but I just shaved, so that's why. I'm gonna go to class as much as I don't want to, but I figure if I go to class this way, as long as I go, I'll get the 75 points, and I won't have near as much of as much pressure to do really good on the test. I don't know why I'm not looking in the lens, and then also, I will not have to do the homework today because I'll have so many points from that I'll still get a day without doing the homework. So, win-win situation there. So yeah, that's what the plans are. I'm gonna go as much as I don't feel like it. I'm gonna go. Now, someone told me yesterday the Ibotta bonus is not coming out till tomorrow. They got an email or something. I actually saw that I got the email as well. So there isn't going to be an Ibotta bonus until tomorrow, which is really annoying. So I'm actually going to push all my shopping, like Walmart and stuff, that won't be till tomorrow. I'll still go to Kroger probably and get the eggs, but I'm not going to do any Ibotta deals because I want to make sure I hit that bonus. So, yeah, that's the plan for now, and I will catch up with y'all when I get back from class. For lunch, I had leftover bone broth soup, which this is so much easier to eat in soup form than drinking it. So I had that. I actually just had some sweet potato. I don't know. I just came home from school. My mom was really nice and came up at the lunch for me. I just came home. She was like, "Hey, do you want this?" Because she knows how sick I am and with these allergies, which she's sick too. So we both should be resting. But she was nice and offered to make me lunch. So I really, really appreciate her doing that. So that was lunch. Just the same fixins in it as yesterday. The cheese, the sour cream, all that. Alright, so I am back from school now. I'm so glad I went because it actually was a pretty beneficial experience. It was actually our last class with this teacher, so it was kind of nice to go to the last class and everything. I'm glad I went because I feel more prepared for that test now. And I got the 75 points, so woohoo. Alright, so gotta give a shout out to Couponing with Michelle. She commented today that the Ibotta bonus came early, so I'm so excited. And mine is only 4 rebates. 4, which I don't understand why, because my grandma's is 12, and I asked Amy, and hers was 12. So I'm going to go to Kroger. I don't even need to go to Walmart, because I can get more than 4 rebates. I'm actually getting 5, so, yeah, I'm going to get that. I'm going to get the eggs. I got a pretty good Ibotta moneymaker. I remember I told you about that free toothpaste coupon. I was going to get the Aquafresh. Well, actually turns out that they put out a rebate for Biotine, which Kroger sells. So I used my free toothpaste coupon to get the Biotine, and then I'll get a $2 Ibotta. So we're talking a $2 moneymaker. I will take you in Kroger with me and show you the cart of stuff and everything. So I'm really looking forward to that. It's going to be a great money-making time at Kroger today. I'm going to get the eggs that are on sale. And probably some other things. I don't know. We shall see. So, yeah, that is what is on the agenda for now. So I did a Kroger haul, and it went really, really good, except I'll talk about it in a second in the next clip. But I did this haul, and you'll see this haul in the morning, an official breakdown and everything, so that'll be up in the morning, scheduled, and it should be up at 6 a.m. I didn't want to overload with 4 videos today. But I was doing the Ibotta bonus, and with the Ibotta bonus, I was grabbing the Stay Free, the Biotine toothpaste, because I had that free toothpaste coupon, and there's a $2 Ibotta, the Stay Freeze. I had another one of those digital coupons for 2 off 2, and $1.25 Ibotta, so those were money makers. That Dimetap $4.99, and I had $2 coupon, and $2 Ibotta, and $2 Savings Star, so money maker. The Pure Blends butter was $1.99, $1.25 digital, and $1 Savings Star, so a money maker. But what went wrong? Okay, so I have a question for you all. In my Kroger video yesterday, I mentioned this Excedrin because I saw there was an Ibotta rebate for it. And I'm pretty sure I saw other people say that it was valid at Kroger. And I went today and bought it, assuming it would work at Kroger, and I tried redeeming it, but then it didn't work. Like it said it doesn't work at Kroger. So can you please let me know? Do you know if this ever worked at Kroger? Was I just crazy, or has it always been a Walmart exclusive? Because I could have swore that yesterday this said it worked at Kroger. So please, please, please let me know. Alright, so I wound up finishing my Ibotta bonus with this Neutrogena bar soap. It was $2.19, $2 rebate, but there is 25 cents on any item. So essentially it made it free, and it got me to my bonus. I didn't want to go to Walmart. Now, I was there at Kroger earlier, but my family was there, so I didn't want to get them gifts in front of them. So my grandma was nice enough to drive me back up to Kroger tonight so I could do some Christmas shopping. So I'm going to show you what it is. And visual note here, if my parents or any of you are watching, you need to stop, like now. Do not watch this part of the video. I don't want you to see what I got you, so please turn it off at this point. Alright, so as you can see, there's no bedspread on my bed. That's because we're washing the bedclothes today. So I went to Kroger, and each of these items were only $20 on sale, which was really good in my opinion. I mean, could have been cheaper on Black Friday, maybe, but I also had a digital coupon for $10 off of a $50 houseware purchase. So I made all these things essentially like $50, which I think is a really good deal. This is for my grandparents, and this is just for my mom. She's wanting a lot of cookware stuff for Christmas, so I hooked her up on these things. So that's what I got at Kroger, and I'm really, really happy with it. They have a lot of stuff in there. You really should look. They have tons of stuff. I'm at Kroger right now. Lots of kitchen appliances and all that stuff. And a lot of them are good prices. I mean, $20 for that, you can't really get that much better. So I'm really, really happy with these prices. And hopefully they're good quality, but they look pretty good to me. So, yeah, that is what I got at Kroger tonight. Finally, I'm getting some Christmas shopping done. I got a lot more to do. So for dinner, we just had basic pot roast. That was the extent of dinner tonight, was just pot roast. So that was actually pretty good, and hopefully it doesn't cause me any issues. We've had this before, and I've handled it just fine, so we should be good with that. Alright, so we're going to wrap things up in a different spot tonight. It's actually a lot later. It's 9:30, but I was really productive tonight getting my Walmart video done. I actually got to talk to a friend on the phone for about an hour, so that was fun. Always nice to catch up with old friends or whatever. So we talked on the phone for about an hour. Did the Walmart video, edited the vlog some. This is the last part that I got to enter in. On the agenda for the rest of the night is I am going to basically at this point just schedule the Kroger haul for tomorrow. I need to look into my FAFSA for I'm not sure if I have to do anything. I don't know. I keep having this notion to check it because I got a weird email from my school, so I'm gonna check it. What else? Oh, what in the world is my computer doing? Man, I usually don't film in this spot, and I can see why. But yeah, I'll do that. And then tomorrow, what's on the list for tomorrow is I gotta go. You saw the Christmas shopping I did tonight. I gotta get in the Christmas shopping spirit. So I'm thinking I'm going to go to the mall tomorrow and maybe Walmart. I don't know, just some places. Just do a little bit of Christmas shopping around here. Because basically, like I said, we are going to be going out of town to a city that has a lot of different stores. So what I'd rather do now is look around the stores here where in my town that they have theirs. Like I'm not wasting my time out of town looking at the stores we already have. So I'm going to do that tomorrow, hopefully. And I'll, of course, take you along and show you what I do. That's important. I like to keep everyone alert and updated, so I'll do that. Okay, and tomorrow just relax, because I'm pretty much to break. I actually got an email from my professor today. I couldn't even believe it. He said, you have the option, if you want to do your final online, that you can. It's an online monitored final, so it's not like I can, have unlimited time to do it and cheat or anything. There's a time limit and everything, but it beats going in there. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it really does. It beats going in there. So I don't actually have to go back to the college campus for about a month and a half. So I'm so pumped for that, so excited. So I can do things a little bit more at my own pace and just relax. So no school. I do start back up at Franklin a little bit earlier than the community college that I do some of the classes at. So that's a bummer, but it'll be alright. So that's about it for today. I bought a drama, yeah, and it was not Ibotta's fault at all. It was mine. I didn't check the product in the store. That was my fault. But it definitely was Ibotta drama because I had the bonus all perfectly planned out, and I had to go back to Kroger to grab that Neutrogena bar because the Excedrin didn't count. And I got with my cousin because she doesn't coupon or anything. She used to, but she doesn't do it anymore. So she's always asking me if I want to sell her stuff, and she loves that Excedrin migraine. And I was like, well, I'm going to have to return it, but I wonder if she'd want it for $2.29. And I texted her, and you would have thought, I don't know, she was really excited about it. You would have thought you just gave her the deal of the year because she was like, that's a great deal. So I was like, absolutely. If you want it for $2.29, I'll give it to you for $2.29. So she's going to give me the $2.29. I don't ever usually charge them for stuff. I would have just took it back. So, you know what I mean? I'm not going to pay $2.29 for Excedrin. That's just not going to happen. So she, rather than return it, she wanted it. Rather than me take it back to Kroger and return it to get the cash back that way, she said, I'll rather give you the cash because you're giving me the good deal of $2.29 without her having to go into the store and get the deal for herself. So that worked out both. It was a win-win for both of us. I'm getting my money back and not having to go return it at Kroger, and she's getting a deal. So good. All right. So I bought a drama, but it got corrected pretty quick. I mean, it got corrected pretty quick. So yeah, glad to see that. And for the most part, I'm just going to relax tonight. There's not really a whole lot else to do. And this is a shorter vlog, I know, but it's kind of a boring day, really. I went to Kroger. I showed you making some eggs. Like, that's my life now, isn't it? I'm making eggs. I'm going to go Christmas shop tomorrow, like I said, hopefully. And who knows, maybe I'll grab something for myself, too. I don't really need anything. Have some JCPenney coupons and a reward, so I should go use that for sure. Bath & Body Works, I have a coupon, and so I'm going to go look there around for some gifts. My dad wants a gift card. I don't know if I'm going to get that tomorrow or not. That's kind of just something I'm going to wait and see. So yeah, I don't really know what else to do, in tonight's vlog. I'm thinking I'm going to watch TV and just take it easy the rest of the night. So it's a shorter vlog, but, they'll get more interesting as time goes on. So, yeah, that is all that I have for tonight, and I hope you enjoyed. Sorry if this was a boring vlog, and thank you so much for watching.